The ward washer Deko 190iX is designed for emptying, flushing and disinfecting bedpans and lids, urine bottles, hand wash basins and measuring containers, as well as suction bottles, theatre overshoes, vases and other reusable products used for similar purposes within patient care. Cleaning and disinfecting is an important part of any hospital or healthcare facility's infection control policy. This video will help you understand the correct operation of the Deko 190iX. Operation is simple and easy. The controls consist of a main switch, a touchscreen display, and a USB memory stick connector. To operate the system, touch the User option on the home page to display the different programs for running the machine. In the User section, there are choices for a normal wash disinfection cycle, an intensive wash disinfection cycle, and a non-disinfection emptying cycle. In some cases, you may see other wash cycle options. For safe and efficient use of the machine, it is important to check and read the status of the touchscreen display before loading or unloading. Only if the touchscreen display states that the cycle is completed can the door be opened, the machine emptied and loaded again with soiled items. When the machine is in operation and a program is running, the background is yellow. The touchscreen displays the progress of the cycle and how long the cycle has remaining. If the machine is in fault mode, the background will be red and the display will indicate the error number and description. The door will automatically lock while the cycle is running and will remain locked until the cycle is complete. If you attempt to open the door mid-cycle or while the cycle is in operation, the machine will go into an alarm mode and the cycle will need to be reset. Always check the status of the machine before or after using it. The Deko 190iX can easily be set up to clean and disinfect a variety of items. To wash and disinfect bedpans, prepare the Deko 190iX by lifting the bedpan bracket to the vertical position. Remove the paper cover and place the bedpan securely in the rack. There is no need to pre-empty the bedpan. Lids are placed securely in the rear bracket and urine bottles are pushed onto the upright nozzles on the door. The Deko 190iX range can wash and disinfect 2 bedpans and 4 urine bottles at the same time. The Deko 190iX has unique washing and disinfecting cycles. The cycles consist of a variety of washing stages. To start with, a cold water rinse, followed by a warm water rinse. Next, a hot water and detergent stage, performing mechanical action to thoroughly clean and wash the contents. The contents are finally rinsed and disinfected thermally using steam at 90 degrees Celsius or hotter for 1 minute. At the end of the disinfection cycle, the touchscreen will indicate the machine has completed its disinfection cycle and the door can be opened. Once the door has been opened after a disinfection cycle, please make sure to remove all items as the indicators revert back to neutral and the next person will not know whether the item has been washed or disinfected. If you find any items in the machine without any indication on the display, you must assume that they are not clean. The Deko 190iX can also be used for a variety of other items. Wash bowls, kidney dishes, boots, suction bowls and any similar items can be washed and disinfected by the Deko 190iX. When lowering the rear shelf, if the bedpan bracket is still in position, store it by pushing it slightly to the right and down. You cannot wash bowls and bedpans at the same time. However, bowls and urine bottles can be washed at the same time. If it is not allowed in the sewer, it is not allowed in the machine. If in doubt, ask. Bowls, measuring jars, vases, kidney bowls, suction bottles, mop heads and buckets can all be placed inverted on the shelf or in a special rack. The Deko 190iX can also wash instruments before CSSD, TSSU or similar processing departments. The instrument basket is placed on the rear shelf. The Deko 190iX is suitable for cleaning any item that can be submersed in hot water. Using the Deko 190iX machine is easy. At the start of every shift and at least once a day, check that there is sufficient detergent in the container. If the detergent level is low, the touchscreen will go into an alarm mode showing and indicating that the detergent bottle is empty. After loading the machine, to choose the program, touch the program of your choice on the user screen to operate the machine. A list of programs corresponding to various items is attached to the machine. As explained earlier, it is important to visually check and read the display before and after each use. Should a cycle fail to finish, a red fault display screen will appear. If an error is an operator type error, you can reset the machine by turning it off and on at the main switch. Operator errors are door open during the cycle, detergent container empty, or door is not closed at the beginning of the cycle. All other errors are to be reported to your maintenance department. The USB memory stick must only be removed or inserted into the machine in standby mode. Ensure that the machine is in standby mode and that any cycles are completed and not running. Insert an empty USB memory stick to the connector above the screen. In users mode, press Next and then Copy cycle data to USB memory stick. By pressing it, the copying starts automatically. Wait until the display indicates that all files have been copied to the memory stick. Now the stick can be removed and the cycles can be viewed on the computer. Maintenance staff carry out routine maintenance. However, there are a few daily checks that you, the operator, can carry out. These are to check that the spray nozzles rotate freely and to check the detergent level. As you can see, the operation of the Deko 190iX is simple. For further details, please refer to the operator manuals or call REMA.